Alright guys, good morning guys. Supposed to be I'm very happy today guys, but yesterday the Toyota calling to me, but already afternoon. This my blue car Prius 2016 guys. Over 1 month guys, almost 2 months today is already 25 or 26. And yesterday I go there, and I'm very happy because the Toyota called me, si Mr. Irving. He called me in my Toyota, he said they okay. But after that, she's robbed this my car, and then I signed my paper there, and I thought everything okay. But after that guys, I heard my car in the engine. We have like sound like katak. I wanted that one, and then no more, and then start again guys. That's why I met also si Rodney Catalya, and si Irving called the mechanic, and the mechanic said, okay kuya, you test your car first and then you come back today, because that's the one I heard, and this is it. I want to come back, before I start again my car. I want to show you guys what happened and what inside the car, the sound. Okay, this is my car guys, but there is very bad. 8:45. Look the weather guys. And this is my car guys. I'm very happy because after almost 2 months. See, but before I start my car, because the weather is raining, I want to first check again the engine and the brake fluid guys. Okay, nanya with the pupo there guys, problem. Alright, this is it. Let me see guys. I cut muna first guys I cut ko first guys, but I always forgot my plate number, 092. I cut out first guys. After this one I check in the engine. Okay guys, I check the water. I put the water a little bit only full, and the oil I check also guys, so they okay. But yesterday I heard this side the sound guys, the side, because this the according to mechanic, this only the fixing, the handbrake malfunction. But today guys, start natin guys ang problema ng start again my car guys, because according to the mechanic I bring today to diagnose this one, what happened on that time. That's why let's go and start this engine. It's very dangerous this one guys, like I heard like tak. Okay, see now natin guys. There, if I run this car, see the way there. See, you hear that? I think this is the engine. Yeah, that's the one. I heard that one. Okay. Yeah, guys. I close. Video guys, nag-close natin guys ha. That's the one guys, see? I don't know where that one. So now, I bring to the mechanic this one guys. He told me, I bring back today. See, no more ha. Ay, hallelujah. Kaya problema naman natin to guys. If I'm running, you can hear this one guys. Wait, kasi may seatbelt guys. That's another may problem now guys. At least now the time it's already almost 8, and you can hear this one. Let's go. You can hear it in the road this one guys. I'm very happy to say I'm very happy because already okay, but you see that sound. See? See that? You heard that? Lanya like in the Iran guys. See? Hallelujah. See that? But I bring to the Toyota. This my car, nothing happened guys. Nothing, I don't have sound like this one. Everything okay. But after the Irving gave to me to this one, and I heard that one. That's why I report for him. With si Rob Di Catalia guys. May good guy in the Toyota. If I open guys the see, look. See, you heard outside, but the wind now is strong. Yeah. Kaya continuous natin to guys. I'm thinking yesterday if I running this car to go home, because according to the mechanic I want to road test, but problem is the engine still like that guys. And sometime no more, sometime come back again. I'm very sad because almost 2 months in the Toyota. This is my car, you know. See, stay there. That sound stay there. Ay, Papa Jerry. They have no something guys, what's wrong this one according to the mechanic. But you know, I wish it's not very expensive this one again guys, because you know, honest to goodness guys, according to Irving, this change the brake functions. Like $4,000 guys, but this time you have a sound again. And my wife told me supposed to I don't bring my car, I don't want to stay in the Toyota to fix again that one. But according to the mechanic, they want to say, look, want to rob this, but dangerous, guys. I wish only a minor this car problem, guys. Okay, by the way, I cut out, guys, because Saipan now whole day since yesterday, last night, like a whole day all Saipan raining. Yeah, now this time I take this video too in the Toyota, guys, if I came here already. Okay, it's nothing, guys. Jesus Christ, papansin problem again. See that? You heard again, guys? You can make fast. Also, is make very fast. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Alright, guys. See, look. You see here again the sound? That's the one, guys. Oh my God. Basta natin parada sa sakyan natin, guys. Kasi may pick up dito, guys. Oh, pwede. Ito na, guys. Narinig ulit, guys. Okay, ito na tayo, guys. Yan ang the story my car out, guys. Alright. See? Ay, ay, ay. Alright, let's go inside.